Have you ever wondered why Yellowstone National Park is one of the most famous natural landmarks in the world? This vast wonder, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stretches over 3 states, painting a breathtaking canvas of natural beauty. But here's the thing that sets Yellowstone apart from any other park. Beneath the surface of its rolling hills and verdant landscapes lies an active volcano. Yes, you heard it right. Yellowstone is a volcano, but not just any volcano, a supervolcano. So what makes Yellowstone a supervolcano, and why should it matter to you? Well, Yellowstone isn't just another national park, it's a geologic powerhouse. Beneath its surface, a massive volcanic reservoir fuels the park's iconic geysers, including the world-famous Old Faithful. This geyser, true to its name, faithfully erupts every 90 minutes, shooting water up to 180 feet in the air. And don't forget about the vibrant colors of the hot springs, a mesmerizing spectacle created by heat-loving bacteria. These thermal features aren't just pretty to look at, they play a vital role in Yellowstone's ecosystem. Supporting unique forms of life with over 10,000 thermal features, Yellowstone is truly a geothermal wonder. But Yellowstone isn't just about geysers and hot springs, is it? The park teems with a rich biodiversity that captures the imagination. Here, grizzly bears roam freely, wolves prowl under moonlit skies, and herds of bison and elk grace the sprawling landscapes. Yellowstone plays a critical role in conservation, providing a safe haven for these species to thrive. This is the essence of Yellowstone, the beating heart of nature's wild symphony. A visit to Yellowstone offers an unparalleled opportunity to witness these majestic animals in their natural habitat. So what is it that truly sets Yellowstone apart? It's the breathtaking geology, the sheer diversity of life, and the prestigious designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a wildlife lover, or a geology geek, Yellowstone has something for everyone. It's not just a national park, it's a world treasure.